Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you click this video, you're probably staring at your Windows PC panicking, right? Well, let me hit you with a relatable question. Have you ever accidentally deleted a work report you just finished, formatted a hard drive full of family videos, or had your PC blue screen and lose all its files after restarting? I deleted a project plan I had worked for almost a week recently. I almost threw my mouse across the room. That gut punch feeling, I get it. If you're going through that data loss panic, don't stress. Today, we're solving Windows data recovery once and for all. Whether it's accidental deletion, formatting, or a missing partition, we've got fixes. No complicated jargon, just follow along steps. And hey, if you've had a similar data scare, drop a comment. Let's commiserate first and then fix it together. Don't forget to subscribe. I post practical tech tips every week, so you can come straight here next time your PC acts up.
Why does Windows lose data? Understand the why.
Before we get to fixes, let's quickly learn about why Windows loses data. Knowing the why helps you avoid it later. The most common culprit is the human error. Hitting delete without checking the file, or emptying the recycle bin too fast. I'm guilty of that 3 times. Then there is accidental formatting. Thinking you're formatting a USB drive, but selecting the wrong hard drive partition. Total facepalm moment. There's also system or hardware issues. Blue screens and sudden power cuts can corrupt some files. Old hard drives with bad sectors make data vanish with no explanation. A friend's old PC blacked out once, and all photos of his D drives disappeared. Turned out, the hard drive was aging. But here's the key. Most of the time, the data isn't gone. The system just marks it as overwritable so that new files can take their place. So, the golden rule of recovery. Once you notice data loss, stop saving anything to that hard drive or partition. If you lost files on C, don't download softwares. If D is messed up, don't create new folders. Otherwise, your chances of getting your data back plummets. Make sure you remember that. Step 2. The easiest fix. Check the recycle bin first. Let's start with the zero-cost quick fix. If you just hit delete and didn't empty the recycle bin, your files are probably in there and you can't get them back in 20 seconds. See, when you open the recycle bin, it shows all deleted files. Right-click Restore once you find it, and then the file goes back to its original location. Super easy, right? But if you already emptied the recycle bin or deleted with Shift+Delete, this won't work. Don't panic, our next hero tool got you covered. Step 3. Ultimate fix, recover data with PandaOffice Drecov software. Empty recycle bins, formatting, and even missing partitions. PandaOffice Drecov fixes all of these. It saved my accidental deletion project plan last time, and the success rate is solid. First, get ready. Your Windows PC and PandaOffice Drecov software. Download it from their official site if you haven't, link in the comments. They have a free trial so you can test it before buying. Super reassuring. Let's follow along. Step 1. Select location of lost data. If I lost photos on D, click D. If files vanished from C, select C. Don't pick the wrong partition. Click Scan once selected. The software starts searching for lost files. Scan time depends on partition size. Grab a glass of water while you wait. No need to stare. And done! Look at all these files. Even photos I deleted 6 months ago. The best part? You can preview files, click Want to see content, so you don't waste time restoring junks. Check the box next to files you want once confirmed. Hit Select All for everything, then click Recover. And here's the key. Save to a different partition. If recovering from D, save to E. Never save back to D or you'll overwrite data. I'm saving to the Recovered Files folder on E. Easy to find later. Success! Let's check E. Files are there and they open perfectly. PandaOffice Drecov rescues Word docs, Excel sheets, videos, audio, basically a lifesaver for Windows user. Step 4. Pro tips. What if system crashes or partition is missing? What if you face trickier issues, like C drive files gone after a blue screen or a sudden missing partition? Don't panic. 2 steps to try. First, system repair. Restart your PC and press F8 to enter safe mode. See if you can find files there. If safe mode fails, use PandaOffice Drecov's Deep Scan. Click it on the main interface. It's slower, but finds hidden files even in corrupted partitions. My neighbor's PC lost the E partition once. Regular scan found nothing, but Deep Scan recovered all his work files. If the hard drive isn't detected at all, no response when plugged in, it might be hardware failure. Don't open it yourself. Take it to a professional repair shop first. If the drive isn't completely dead, they can use Pro Tools with PandaOffice Drecov to recover data. But that's a last resort. It costs money. So try software first. Let's recap today's key points. Stop saving files when data is lost. Check Recycle Bin for accidental deletions. Use PandaOffice Drecov to scan or recover emptied or formatted hard drives or partitions. Save to another drive. Try Safe Mode or Deep Scans for system crashes. Hope this video helps you rescue important files. If you've recovered data with this method or have other tips, share them in the comments so we can avoid all these mistakes. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll post more tips on USB recovery and phone to PC file transfer. All useful stuff. Thank you for watching, see you next time, and here's to your files staying safe forever. Bye bye!